Prevent water from spilling over the bowl while plunging by controlling the water level and the plunge motion from the first stroke. Start by checking the current water level. If it is higher than the toilet rim or dangerously close to overflowing, bail out excess water into a bucket or sturdy cup until the level is below the overflow point. Position the plunger so the cup or flange fully seals around the drain opening. If you are using a flange plunger, extend the flange and make sure the rubber lip has no folds before you begin. Create a firm seal by pressing down gently until you feel suction. Then begin with slow, deliberate pumps to move water through the trap without sudden surges. Use wide, controlled strokes that move the entire body of water in the bowl rather than quick, short jerks that create waves and splashes. Keep your face and clothing away from the bowl and wear gloves and a protective apron to prevent contamination if a spill does occur. If the water is murky and you are concerned about hygiene, add a tablespoon of liquid dish soap to help lubricate the trap and reduce splashing. Dish soap breaks surface tension and can improve flow while keeping splatter lower. Common problems include starting with too much water, which causes immediate overflow. Fix this by removing excess water first and only plunging with the water level well below the rim. Another issue is a poor seal between the plunger and the bowl, which forces water to escape around the edges and splash. Ensure a full, even seal and adjust the angle until the plunger sits flush. Finally, plunging too aggressively creates pressure spikes that push water up and over the rim. Begin with gentle pumps to establish movement, then increase intensity gradually while watching the water level. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like this by helping people find local professionals and by allowing contractors to locate new jobs in their area. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other about practical containment and splash prevention techniques.